everyone, I'm Foxy, and this is my ride. Ready to hit the field? Let's go!
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just a goat who loves to drive this groovy bus. Let's hit the road!
Okay.
Ready, go!
Hello there! I'm the Dragonfly, and this is my telehandler. Time to roll!
Okay. Ready, go!
Hi, everyone. I'm Fluffy, and I'll be your driver today.
NANI?
Okay.
Introducing the one and only Rainbow Taxi. Where to, friend?
Start! Ready? Go!
And now, presenting the incredible balloon tractor.
Huh? Oh no! Okay.
Hello there! All right, let's roll!
Okay.
Hey everyone! Check out my brand new Rainbow Road Roller! Now let's go flatten some grass!
NANI? Okay. Ready, go!
Introducing the telehandler loader, ready for action.
Huh? Ready, go!
Hey, check it out. I'm gonna drive the reach truck.
Huh?
Start! Ready? Go!
And here it is, the amazing order picker. Now watch it go.
Huh? Oh no!
Okay, okay.
Check out this amazing stacker truck. Now let's get rolling.
NANI?
Okay.
Ready, go!
Greetings! I am the captain of this vessel, and now we ride the waves.
Huh?
Okay, okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm Pat, your cheerful stadium snow remover. Time to clear the field.
Ready, go!
Hello, my name is Ant, and I'm gonna clear these balls with my super scraper.
Huh?
Greetings, I am the Moth, and this is how I roll. Prepare for liftoff.
Huh?
Oh no!
Okay, okay. Hello, everyone. I am the Fly, and I'm about to start this generator.
Start! Ready, go!
Prepare yourselves! I am the rightful master of this machine, and I shall...
Okay.
And now, for my next trick, I shall ride this marvelous scooter. Toodaloo!